Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. Today I am doing as you guys can tell, I am doing a dark fall makeup look. You guys really enjoyed my other fall videos, so thank you so much for the support and love on that video. But today I am doing this look right here, and I did have a poll on my Instagram, so the majority of you guys did vote for this dark fall look, so that's what I'm doing today for you guys. And yeah, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I will leave the link up here. I will leave my name up here for my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram, you guys, because that is where I post most of my stuff, my makeup, pictures, just everything. Like, I post everything on there, and I definitely do pose on there. So yeah, if you guys want to vote for which videos I should record next, then definitely go and follow my Instagram. So yeah, I was really excited for this look because I feel like it's really dark, but it's really cute at the same time. Personally, for me, I wouldn't wear this look out because I feel like it's just very dramatic and very, like, what's the word? I don't know. It's just very dramatic in my opinion, and it's just very dark. But I don't know. It looks good though. So I don't know. I might start wearing it out. Who knows? But yeah, I really like this look, and I think it came out pretty good. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click the button down below. And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, just keep on watching.